Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So first you have to take the bottle cap and cut the paper in the round shape. Then cut the circle in half from the middle. And connect the cut circle with glue. You have to make 24 circles. Take a sheet and make a stick out of it. After that, one by one, the circle should be applied to the stick with glue and make the beautiful flower stick. To like, share this amazing easy paper craft, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Mimi's Multifarious Content.